Come along with me as I tackle the task of discovering all of Lahore's hidden treasures and exploring the real Lahore. Lahore, a city that echoes with the whispers of the past, yet pulses with the vibrancy of the present. Rich in history and culture, Lahore stands tall as a beacon of Pakistan's rich heritage, waiting to be discovered by curious travelers. Misconceptions about Lahore often paint it as a city stuck in the past, a city that's only about dusty old monuments and crumbling infrastructure. But nothing could be further from the truth. Lahore is so much more than that. It's a city that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity, where ancient Mughal architecture coexists with sleek skyscrapers and bustling streets. Another misconception is that Lahore is only about food. And while it's true that the city is a culinary paradise, there's so much more to it than just kebabs and biryani. Lahore is a city of stories, of people who have lived and breathed its streets for centuries, of secrets hidden in its dusty alleys, and of traditions that are still alive and thriving. Some people might say that Lahore is dirty, crowded, and chaotic, but I say that's what makes it so beautiful. In the chaos, you find a rhythm, a pulse that beats to the tune of 1,000 different drums. You find a city that's alive, that's kicking, that's screaming to be explored. And yes, it's true that Lahore can be overwhelming at times, but that's what makes it so exciting. Every corner you turn, every street you walk down, every market you visit is a new surprise waiting to happen. Lahore is often portrayed as a city of extremism, of religious zealotry, but that's not the Lahore I know. The Lahore I know is a city of Sufi saints, of mystics who preached love and tolerance, of people who welcome you with open arms and hearts. It's a city that's deeply rooted in its Muslim heritage, but is also home to Hindus, Christians, and Sikhs, all living together in harmony. Let's start with the landmarks that make Lahore so iconic. The Lahore Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-visit with its stunning Mughal architecture and breathtaking views of the city. And then there's the Badshahi Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world. Its intricate tilework and ornate domes, a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. And let's not forget the Wazir Khan Mosque, a beautiful example of Mughal-era mosque architecture. Its intricate frescoes and ornate carvings, a treat for the eyes. But Lahore is more than just its landmarks. It's the food. From the spicy flavors of traditional Lahori kebabs to the sweet treats of faluda and kulfi, every bite is a culinary delight. And then there's the cultural traditions, the vibrant festivals, the colorful markets, the traditional crafts that are still alive and thriving. You can't talk about Lahore without mentioning the Basant Festival, a celebration of color and music and joy, where the entire city comes alive in a riot of kite flying, music, and dance. But for me, the most captivating aspect of Lahore is the Wazir Khan Mosque at sunset. There's something magical about the way the setting sun casts a golden glow over the mosque's intricate frescoes and ornate carvings. It's as if the entire mosque comes alive, the stones and the tiles and the arches all glowing with a soft ethereal light. It's a moment that's hard to put into words, but it's a moment that will stay with you forever. So that's Lahore, a city that's full of surprises, full of contradictions, full of life. It's a city that will leave you breathless, that will leave you wanting more. And that's exactly why Lahore should be on every traveler's bucket list. It's a city that will capture your heart and never let it go. Thanks for joining me on this journey to discover the real Lahore. If you've been to Lahore, share your own experiences and stories in the comments below. And if you haven't, what are you waiting for? Come and experience the magic of Lahore for yourself. Remember to watch my upcoming video, in which I will be delving deeper into Pakistan's undiscovered treasures. Please remember, like, share, and subscribe to my video. See you in the upcoming video.